Hey everybody, it is Michaelville here with another video. So, yeah, I'm better now. You might be able to tell that. The party was last night, or yesterday I guess, but, then I got kinda a little hungover. And, yeah, I couldn't sleep though. And I woke up at like 3 o'clock in the morning, and then I was like, hey, let's do a video. So I did a video about my second favorite YouTuber. And yeah, so I did a video about that, and I was so tired, but I couldn't go to sleep, so I just did that. And then I posted the party video and that video today, which was, like, the one was technically today anyway, but yeah. So, the party was yesterday, but I had to post it today because I couldn't do it last night. But, yeah. And you might also be wondering about the other video because I said I was going to do one. And that's about to get uploaded. Don't know. Probably tonight, actually. Gotta be honest. Either tonight or tomorrow. I don't know. But there is going to be a video posted on my TikTok and my YouTube short. So if you don't have the one, if you want to go to my YouTube short channel or TikTok, I'll have those linked in the description below. And if I forget, I'll just have to put it in the comments. So, yeah. And, yeah. And also, we are doing an unboxing video today, because you might have seen I had some presents, and, yeah, I got 5 here. I would have been okay with none, or one, one or none, But I got 5. Not that many people brought anything, but it's okay. Like I said, I didn't need anything. It's just, And, yeah. And also, I feel like right now, people's probably already posted it. First thing I said. But, I'm in my dining room. I'm still in my house. I'm in my dining room. I'm at my dining table. It's just, since I'm doing this unboxing video, I wanted more room. And, my office in this house will not work. Because, yeah, this, works here. But, my office is so small and doesn't have room where I can have my camera back like this. And then have my boxes here and, bags and yeah. Anyway, so let's get into this. And, yeah, and I know the blue polka dot kind of one, that one's from Michael. And yeah, he couldn't make it. Yeah, he couldn't make it. He did have to text me. I don't know why he couldn't make it. He said work stuff. I guess that's why, though, work stuff. He just said he couldn't, make it. So, but he did make sure he got dropped off a gift. A few days ago, he actually dropped off a gift. He just, dropped it off. He just literally ding-dong ditched. I'm kidding. He did, I was sitting in, I can't remember. I think I was just watching TV, and, yeah, he just sat at the door, and I went out for some reason, and I just, oh, hey. It wasn't because I was about to film a video or something, but, yeah. I was just kind of going outside. I can't remember what I was doing outside, what I was going to go out there for, but I saw it anyway. Yeah. And then these other ones people brought, so, yeah. I think, though, since I want to save that one from Michael for last, let's open this, purple one. Is it purple or pink? Either way. Okay, guys. Here we go. Yeah, it's a bag. So I can't rip anything. That sucks. I only have 2 boxes. It sucks. I only have 2 boxes to rip. Okay, bag. I guess I can just rip the bag. Yeah. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh, yeah. Okay, I like this. Guys, look at this. It's like a cat, I like it. I love it. Yeah, now I'm about to start singing the country song. Yeah. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. Anyway. Yeah, I like it. I'm trying to think. I might actually not take it because I'm literally unboxing these gifts and getting my gifts, and I'm literally in a few days I'm leaving this house. But yeah. And only you'll come here maybe every weekend, if I can make it out here on the weekend. So, yeah, I do like it. I think, though, I might take this one with me, and, just because I think it'll be great at my house, in Westville, I think. I even think I have an idea where to put it, but, I do think I have an idea, too, to put it, so, yeah. Okay. Next box, we're gonna open this, next present. It's a box, so I really want to get in there. I want to rip it. Man, but then I don't, look at this, wrapping paper here. I like that. It's good wrapping paper. I wonder do you guys, tell me in the comments below, if you, sometimes, you just want to get in there and see what the present is, but then you don't want to rip the wrapping paper. It looks so nice, oh God. You don't want to ruin it, but you want to get in there, and then you try not to, but it still gets ruined. So, yeah. Okay, let's open this. Okay, this is actually really nice. It's like a candle. Dude, it's like a lantern. Oh, I love this thing. I'm trying to think where I should put this. I don't think it's meant for outside, obviously, because it's a lantern, but it's like a candle lantern for, inside. But I still love it so much. This thing looks so awesome. I love it. I love this thing. Okay. Yeah, this bag now. Let's see what's in this bag here. A hat, man. I got a hat now. I gotta be honest, I don't have that many hats. I'm not really a hat person. So, thank you for the hat, but, yeah, I'm not a hat person. So, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. But I am sorry for, who even gave me this? Oh, okay. But, I'm sorry. I will wear it. I have hats, I just don't wear them that much. I don't wear hats that often. I like, to not wear hats. I don't know. Look at my hair, man. I, keep it, pretty nice. And this is what it looks like, obviously on camera. If I did a day in my life, video, yeah. And also, I was thinking about that, but it won't be in this house because I won't have time to do it probably when it's me living in this house. But, maybe when I move back to my other house in Westfield Town. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments below if you guys want me to do a day in my life. A real day in my life. Not just my day in my life short videos. A day in my life. A whole day, you see what I do. Obviously, it's going to be 20 minutes. It's not going to be a whole 24 hours or something. But half of it's going to be me sleeping. Anyway. Next, present. Okay, another one. These bags here. Okay. Ooh. Also, I hope you guys can hear me good. Because I know at first in my office, you couldn't hear me super, super great. You could hear me pretty good because I was closer to the camera. But, and then I got the microphone so you guys could really hear me. Now I'm out here. I'm pretty far away and I don't even have a microphone or anything. So. Okay, I've always wanted one of these. I'm kidding. I've had these before. I actually think I have one in my other house. I'm trying to think. I have a lot of stuff. I have way too much stuff now, but, yeah. It's fine. But I love these. I actually might have one of these in this house. I really need to go through my stuff, guys. I think I do in my bedroom, but I like this. It's like a collection because I had some other ones. I know I have other ones. I can't remember if they were in this house or my other house. I'm pretty sure they might be in this house in my bedroom, but yeah. I have so much stuff I can't remember. Yeah. I love it though. Just look at it. I like these just I have a collection kind of thing. They're smaller ones though. This one's a decent size, so. Okay, last box. This one is from Michael, and this one I don't even feel bad for ruining the wrapping paper because it's just polka dots. That other one, I feel bad for ruining it. I gotta be honest, so yeah. Let's rip this thing open. Okay, I ripped it open. Now, I got this truck and a card. See, I'm the only one. He's the only one that gave me a card from Michael. And he gave me this truck. Now, if you remember one of the other videos, it's been a while though. It was like Michael's house tour. You might have saw, if you watched it, I guess you would have. In his garage, he has a walk area where he makes things out of wood, and he actually made this truck out of wood himself, and did a few other things. You know, obviously it's not all wood. He had to put the wheels that aren't wood, but you know, he made that. So. And I was telling him, I always tell him how much I love some of the things he does, and I was saying how I love this log semi, you know, because it's a semi with logs, a log trailer, so you know. And there's a card, so let me open this card now too, because you know, there we got that. But here's the card. This is what he just had paper in it, and just says, "Hey Michael, I am sorry that I could not come to the party. I had a big work thing come up because someone went missing. I hope you like the truck I made out of wood. I will call you in a day or two, Michael." Okay, thank you. So, yeah, if you oh God, if you don't know, Michael is a part-time search and rescue. So, yeah. And so he had to, I guess, go do search and rescue because he said someone's missing. So search and rescue kind of thing, you know. I had to do some search and rescue. So yeah. But that's gonna be the end of the video for today, guys. Also, one more thing before I forget. I will be doing a house tour. It's probably gonna be one of my next videos because I want to do a house tour before I pack up. Because some of my stuff I'm going to take with me to my other house, obviously. So I'm going to pack up, and some areas might look a little plain. Like, especially my office, okay. My office will look a little plain because I'm going to have to take my PC down and stuff. Because I have a PC in there, I can't just leave that. I guess I could, but I don't want to. Because I have I just want to bring it pretty much. But, yeah. I'll have 2 PCs in my office, because that's the main thing, because this PC here, I don't use for work. I use for these videos and games and stuff, but I have, like at my other house, I have a PC too, but I use it for work, you know, so, yeah. So, I have to get this PC so I can play games there when I have breaks, and maybe do some gaming videos, because I still need to do gaming videos. But, yeah, I do want to get that done, so I might even film it tonight. Might not get posted tonight, but I might film it tonight. I don't think it might not get posted tonight, though, is what I'm saying. Or I might, film it tomorrow and post it tomorrow, if I do it early. But, yeah. So, that's going to be the end of the video for today. So, see you guys in the next one.